Hi, I'm Chirag from Vida Technologies Limited. I'm the co-founder. Vida Technologies Limited is based in London, and we started this company about a year ago. We have two products which we are working on. One is a loyalty solution, then the other one is a marketplace connecting students and businesses. Coming to the loyalty application, what we are developing is we are providing white label loyalty solutions to businesses using card linking technology, innovative solutions, how people can connect loyalty, collect loyalty points, and do some sort of gamification in that for customer retention. And the next product is basically a marketplace connecting students and businesses. The businesses can list microtasks, and the students will work on those microtasks and get paid. So this is for the student, to help the students in the UK. Students could benefit getting a real-world experience in working some of the microtasks. We manage a team of about 20 people. We are split into working on one of them working on the loyalty platform, and some of them working on the marketplace solution. So we have, in terms of data engineers, backend engineers, machine learning and AI engineers, developing each and every day and improving our features. Features has been our complete design engine, I would say, for both our products. And initially we had requirements where we had to produce multiple designs, different types of designs to different clients, and on an urgent basis, basically because we are white labeling products and people ask different designs every day. We can't have a single template and then go show that to different clients. And that's where Futures helped us bootstrap, really help in terms of go faster and pitch to multiple clients at the same time. I would say Futures has been the design engine of our company, and we've got every design done from them, right from business card, printable business cards, Christmas cards, New Year cards, website, mobile app screens, presentations, you name it, everything. So basically every single design requirement is done by Futures for us. And also the design quality is great. Everybody likes it. It's not only us, even our client likes design quality, and the people behind us is Futures in terms of design.